Next in Python, we are going to print reverse of a given string using loop. So here I am taking on one variable n, and in this variable I am taking input of a string. It's a message, enter a string. Now we are taking one more variable, that is reverse, and right now it is an empty variable. It doesn't have anything inside. Now we are starting for loop for another variable I have taken is ch in. Now our string is in variable n. For ch in n, put colon. Now rev equals to ch plus rev, and in the end we have to print our reverse string. Reverse string is now here we have taken input of a string. This rev variable is empty. Now we are starting for loop for ch in n. Rev equals to ch plus rev. This is a block. It will completely run, and in the end we are going to print this reverse string. Save it and run it. So it is asking us to enter a string. I'm giving here hello. So it has printed reversed of our string. Now this loop is printing reverse of string because of this formula we have given here. Instead of this, if I put here rev equals to rev plus ch, if we are adding that character in the end, then it is not going to give reverse string. It is going to give the string as it is. So save it and run it. So now even if we'll give string, it is not going to give reverse string, it is going to give same string. HELLO is our string, and here we can see that it has printed HELLO as it is. It hasn't reversed that string. So we have to add that character which we are taking from this string at the beginning of this reverse. Save it and then run it. Now again it will be reverse string. It has reversed our string.